Hey boys and girls, this is Larry, ubrailroad.com. Check me out. Today is March 25th. Now I'm doing something that isn't kind of hard, kind of easy. I'm cutting down my cattle car because it's way too big, way out of scale for the way I'm theming my railroad. Now you can see this is how long it was, and you can see this is how much I've taken off of it. About that much. This is very easy to do. First thing I did is I took all the screws and everything and took it all apart. Now unfortunately, you're definitely going to have a bandsaw to cut this. And that's what I did, is I cut it nice and even. And then I went in and knocked all the burrs out and everything, and now I'm getting ready. I'm going to start putting it back together. Then once I put it back together, then I'll cut the floor and I'll add everything else, and I'll add the undercarriage as well. I'll have to figure out the best way to cut that down. But again, this is a project. I have never ever done anything like this before. I just simply said, you know what, I'm going to do it, and I think I can. So that's the attitude you need when you want to do scratch building. You just got to believe you can do it, and I believe I can do it. So let's give it a try. Let's see what happens, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I got it cut, you can see how much I took out of each side. Now I couldn't take it out of the middle because the doors were right there, and then it also has the tracks. So I had to go equal amount on both sides, which was basically one board. There was actually a board here, okay? So that worked out perfect on this particular car. Now everything's going to be a little different no matter what kind of car you're doing. But anyway, I'm just kind of bringing you up to date. Here's the undercarriage of it all. I'll have to figure out how to cut that down and utilize or save the best parts I can, and we'll keep going and see what happens. Okay, I removed all of these all the way around it, the little runs to the ladders or what have you, glued it together so now you can see how big it's going to be, and then I painted it. This isn't the main color, but I just gave it a quick coat, and I'm going to move on from here. Okay, I'm all done. Got it painted. Put the roof on. Now I used what they call sticky sticks, and you can buy them at Walmart. They come with no round ends on them. You just cut them to shape, glue them all on, glue them on. You can see how long they are from here to here. But I finished it all up. This is what my new cattle car is going to look like. It would be considered a 40-inch cattle car because it's about 41 feet, scale feet. That would be 10.5 inches. So this is going to look real nice in front of the livestock or the packing plant. So anyway, if you like this, leave a like. If you want to subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And of course, I always love to hear from you. So get back to me, show me what you're doing. This is Larry, over and out.